Welcome to the UK. It is absolutely shocking. Raining again. You're going to probably see this reference a lot in my videos, certainly over the winter months. So get used to it. But yeah, look forward to this video. It'll be a good one and I'll see you there. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's going to be interesting, this one. Scams are freaking horrible, just like the weather. The reason why I want to talk about scams is because I'm going to predict the future. This is what is going to happen, and you can hold me to this. When the market cycle breaks and it goes back to a bullish formation, we're going to see Bitcoin rise again. We're going to see Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, probably a few others, Binance Coin for example, do well. Okay, they're going to go up in price and people are going to be like, ooh, okay. Sharks will be about. Not the good sharks that, live in the ocean. The sharks that are going to steal your money through scams. They will be pouncing on you. The new person who's like, oh my god. So if you're here and you're new to cryptocurrency, hang around and I'll show you a legitimate source of investment that you can do to make money. Trust me, it's a good one. And wait until you see what I'm going to show you. And see what you think after I've said it. And see if these red flags will reminiscent in your head. But before we get into it, hit the subscribe button. It's great. You'll probably have good luck for the rest of your life if you hit the subscribe button. If you hit the bell button, you're going to be rich. So please do it, okay? So let me start. Cryptocurrency, right? Let's go into a few things. A lot of people think it's a bit scammy anyways because they don't understand it. That's just lack of education. We know that. But a lot of things are very true in what people are saying. People have been hurt. People have been scammed. I can think of about 5 things off the top of my head instantly that I've already exit scammed. USITech, BitConnect, BitPT, iCenter, you've got blooming the MLMs, the multi-level marketing companies. You've got all kinds of random growth bots that have were there and then disappeared. There's 24-hour Bitcoin growth. There was RecycleBot that is still alive, I think. There's PowerBot, which I'm going to mention in this video as well. And I'm also going to mention a multi-level marketing ICO, okay? These are all things you need to be aware of, but I'm also going to show you my own company and what I do in terms of teaching. So you're going to get a good lesson here about scams, and scams are one of the main things you should be avoiding. And as funny as it sounds, too good to be true is sometimes too good to be true, and people for some reason go into it. It's like buying a coin at the top. So when you're looking at coin market cap, the cream rises to the top. The best ones are usually at the top due to the longevity, they've been around, the team, the volume, what exchanges they're on. But the coins that are at literally the floor, and I mean the floor, so if you go view all and just go right down to the bottom, there'll be stuff here you've probably never ever heard of, but they've probably got some sort of thing in them that is like, oh okay. Now there's a coin called Environ which was mining. That ICO just didn't get anywhere further off the shelf. It raised a lot of money and it literally vanished. It happens a lot, so you must do research. But I don't want to talk too much about coins. I want to talk about opportunities, as in you invest your money, so you put your money in and they take it and fuck off. That is what happens, okay? And they clone it with mining and arbitrage and blooming trading. It's a load of bollocks. So if you see anyone trying to pitch to you a mining opportunity that is not on a blockchain, tell them to sod off. Trust me, because I'm going to show you why. If you go on blockchain.com or blockchain.info, what it used to be called, you get this, okay? This gives you the Bitcoin network. If people are trying to claim that they are Bitcoin mining, you should be able to see their exact miner on that website. You will. Right, so all you do, you go to data. You probably go to chart, I believe it is, because the website all changed recently. And you will go down to hash rate distribution. And this will give you all the companies that are pretty much the main players in the Bitcoin pools, okay? Now this is just Bitcoin as an example. You can do it with Ethereum, you can do it with other mining capability coins. But for example, I've got contracts with BitClub Network. It's not the greatest company in the world, but I knew that there was transparency there. I knew that they had miners there. I've been with them for over 2.5 years now. And there's a recruiting element to it, but I don't really get involved in the recruitment. I just want to mine, and it's paid me profit. I'm happy. So I have a mining pool out there, but I can physically see it. It's there. They have mining blocks, and this was the most recent block. And yeah, it works. And that's what you call transparency. What you're going to see next is not transparency, and I'm going to explain why. So without further ado, sit back and relax because you're going to enjoy this. Hit the like button, hit the dislike button if you don't like this, or if you're involved in these scams, whatever, and press the share button because I think a lot of people need to see this. And they need to see why people are scared of cryptocurrency, and we want to make it a better place. We do. We want to make it awesome. And in the next couple of years, we don't know what's going to happen, but I do think the future is bright, and we need to eliminate all these kind of scams. Okay. So I want to talk about PowerBot. Why am I talking about PowerBot? It's UK based. The guy is ex-military, like myself. The guy's completely fucked up basically by doing this. I don't know why he's done it. It seems as though, I don't know. Why would you do it? And yeah, I've questioned it a lot of times on my Facebook. I've mentioned it on people's walls. He actually responded. I will find the screenshot if I can. I will insert it here. But the reason why I said that is because I don't understand why people physically want to make these systems where they know that they're going to either disappear or you're going to get reported by the SEC. What is the point? You can go to company's house and claim it as a legitimate business. Yeah, easy. Anyone could do that. But if you're doing a system like this, it should be FCA regulated. It should be the Financial Conduct Authority because you're investing in a system that's growing your money. Trading money, sorry, forget. Trading for you and mining for you still should be FCA regulated. There should be a broker doing that for you. It doesn't work like that because it's crypto. So let's talk about it. Multiple coins earn 1.5% daily. Sounds like a fucking right catch, doesn't it? Ooh. Yeah, let's do that, guys. Let's get your whole 3 years of interest rates from the Bank of England and pour it into this. Woohoo! You're going to make money. No, fuck off, you're not. 4-level deep referral program. Pfft, come on. I'm not even going to mention these bits. Backed by investment and mining. Fuck off, is it? No. Mining at the minute is so low due to the difficulty and due to the kind of the way that it's gone with the pricing and the difficulty adjustment of Bitcoin, for example. It's not as profitable as people may count it to be. You don't get 1.5% daily, trust me. Let's have a look at the coins that you can actually mine. Now, what's funny about this? Bitcoin 1.2% over 99 days. Litecoin 1.5% over 99 days. Bollocks, bollocks, that is also bollocks, that is bollocks, that is bollocks, pointless, that isn't even mineable. Right, so where do they get this from? How do you grow it? Well, the reason why they can grow it, and they say it's backed by mining, is because it is on a Telegram bot. People put the money in, people pay people up ahead them, or up above, whatever, and it is basically a Ponzi scheme, okay? Simple. That is how it works. So you also have power-ups. Fuck off. Receive 17% ROI per month if you deposit between $500 and $99.99. Wow. No one gives a shit. Receive 20% and 25%. It's a bit of a fucking... It's a bit weird, isn't it? Come on. The red flags must be belling off now. That you can just put your money in and you receive 20% back ROI per month. If you put that in a property, you'd probably be looking to get 7 or 8% ROI. Doesn't make sense, does it? So, use your eyeballs, guys. Referral structure, again, another indication that it could be a load of hoo-ha and not very good. The best programs have pretty crap referral programs because they're not built off referrals, they're not built off longevity of people promoting it, they're built off longevity of the business model. This doesn't have a business model. This will collapse very, very soon. As soon as people start pulling their money out and no new investors are coming in, that will just cripple like buggery. Also, spelling mistakes. I'm a bugger for that. I hate spelling mistakes. Really irritating, isn't it? Yeah. So, that is PowerBot. Absolute shill piece of shit. Horrible company that deserves to be squished. And the reason why I'm laughing at this is because transparency is so important. No one gives a fuck if you're registered in the UK. No one cares. They don't give a flying sausage. BitConnect was registered in the UK. What happened to that? Well, it exit scammed and the founder ran off with millions. Yeah. And I think he killed someone in Australia. I don't know. It was something really, really weird. Can't remember what it is now. Anyways, don't quote me on that. But yeah, he's very, very brave and he's mentioned who he is and probably where he lives. And he's going to get so many people knocking on his door when this goes tits up. It's going to happen. It's going to, because people are so naive and they're going to go, I'm going to put my money in that, I'm going to make money, I'm going to get rich, I'm going to leave my job, lose my house next year, and I'm now homeless. It happens. It happened with USI Tech. Now, this is just comical. Let's just get a load of mining operations and show a load of growth, because it's the sort of thing. Why would you do it? So, yeah, personally, be very, very dubious of opportunities like this. It doesn't matter if they've got a website. I can build websites. I've got a lot of websites. They're very, very easy to build. They just use a certain element, and I want to show you. Let's view the page source, and let's have a look to see who is the operating system of this bad boy. Let's see if I can find it anyways. I don't know if I can see it. It could be WordPress. It looks very much like WordPress. Let's have a looky. Work. To be honest with you, I don't know. But it's a content management system which will be built on the front of a website and people just edit on top of it. Inspect called. I think it could be WordPress, you know. I'm saying I think. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that neither. Yeah, it's WordPress. It is WordPress. Must be. Plugins. Yeah, cryptocurrency. Yeah, this is 100% WordPress because I've got that actual widget. Lols. Anyways, so we have a WordPress website which is very, very easy to use and make. You can actually run it, go into these, check out all the plugins. Can I move that? Fuck off. Ta-da. There you go. Some of the plugins, the uploads. So yeah, you can basically see what it is. I'm pretty sure that is WordPress. Or PMT. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Don't give a shit anymore. I'm bored of it. Anyways, that is gone. I want to show you behind M&M. Reason why this is a really good resource. People slate it because they're in the network marketing industry. They're pretty successful in terms of ousting freaking Ponzi schemes. So we've got Ziegler Rewards. This was something that went years ago. Digital Altitude, again, went years ago. Have a little look at it. You'll find a lot with cryptocurrency, right? So there we go. Crypto Monsoon Review. Dead. What else have we got? There'll be loads in here. That is definitely cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency MLM. Gross bite. Shit. So yeah, have a look and do your own research. And fundamentally, do your own research. Don't just like flap because someone's messaging you in your inbox, because you're gonna really get burned. I want to mention one more thing. Dascoin. Now, I said that I wasn't going to mention much about cryptocurrencies as much, but the reason why I'm saying this is because just be very, very careful of it. This grew by multi-level marketing, a company that was designed to recruit people into it. Strange that you have to recruit people into buying a coin for it to survive, isn't it? Doesn't make sense in my eyes. So for me as a person, as an investor, I want to invest in something that's good. The product is good, the value is there, the transparency is there, the project, the team, the roadmap, the code, everything. I want to invest because of that. I don't want to invest because some little snotty teenagers come into my inbox and said, oh, buy this. Fuck off. That is not how it works. You don't go into the stock market and go, oh, some guy from Apple here, I'm going to buy you some stocks. Fuck off. It doesn't work like that. So please be aware of people trying to recruit you into buying shares of a token or whatever. Doesn't make sense, okay? So on that note, I'm going to end it. But what I did say at the start of the video is I will show you something nice. Investing in yourself, and I guarantee this 110%, is by far the best investment you can ever make. Don't invest in cryptocurrency first, invest in yourself. And if you go into learningcrypto.co.uk, which is my own site, you will be looked after by myself, Lee, Mark, and all the other subject matter experts who are doing courses. We do courses, okay? We do premium, we do self-paced courses, we're going to be doing interactive courses, and we're going to be doing workshops in the near future, okay? So you'll be getting taught at a very, very affordable price how to avoid scams, how to avoid losing your money, how to actually invest properly, how to do the correct research, how to do absolutely everything. And I'm basically just going to show you pretty quickly what you get on this one course. Now this course isn't even finished yet. It's going to be getting more and more stuff added onto it. We're going to also have other courses by other experts blockchain experts, Elliott Wave, influencing, master knowledge, mining, how you can do it yourself properly without buying into these investments. So in terms of this is what you get. You get all about Bitcoin, the blockchain, what are altcoins, key phrases, how to actually buy it, because not everyone knows how to buy, and then the research, the exchanges, the bots, wow, the scams, all that stuff I've pretty much covered, but in a lot more detail. Wallets, how to be safe, ICOs, I ripped to bits ICOs in this course. Passive income, asset management, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. And then at the top, you got a full trading course, a massive course. That is actually over 6 hours now because we keep adding to it. There's going to be another 11 lessons added. So if you're interested in this, let me know. I'll be able to help you out. There will also be a discount code if you ask nicely. But the fundamentals of this is simple. Invest in yourself, do everything yourself, manage your own risk. Okay. Thanks for joining me today. It's been a massive pleasure. This time we didn't have a dog knocking my screen over. I do apologise for the lack of green screen, but please do subscribe to my channel. Please check out the videos that I've recommended to you today. But first and foremost, check out the website in the links below, and also understand the process of researching investment opportunities.